From shop Rjpasini.com. Today in New York, of course, we're having a nor'easter here, and the part of the island I'm on, they said we'd have probably between 4 to 6 inches. So chances are I will not be making any trips to the post office. So if any of my sellers or followers out there, whatever, in eBay land, your stuff won't be going out today. Unfortunately not, but as you can see, the snow is coming down, and I think it's going to intensify as the day progresses. So we'll see how it goes. You know, I mean, if any orders do come in, and hopefully if I can get my car out of the driveway tomorrow, well, it doesn't matter, because if the post office guy, you know, the mailman comes, I could always give my packages to him. But I don't really like to overburden him, because he's been getting packages pretty much, not every day, but, you know, every now and then I give him, you know, when I do have a lot of orders, I give it to him, and he's been handling it, and he's been really nice about it, and I don't really like to overburden him, you know, with packages. Lately, the sales have been somewhat decent, nothing to write home about. I'm getting little stragglers here and there, but they're moving, it's going, you know, it's going. So I think this will put a little dampener on things today with the snow coming down. But I'm going to, you know, keep at it. I'm updating my listings. Still working on my YouTube channel, you know. And I just want to give a shout out to one of the followers out there in regards to my video I did on the reselling news yesterday. The person, I guess is a follower of mine. He had stated to me that the video was drowned out by all the music in the background. I had to take it off, you know, delete it and redo it again. So I just want to give a shout out there to the, you know, to the follower. You know, I don't want to mention names because I don't know if the person wants their name mentioned out there, but I believe he's a follower because, you know, I've heard comments in the past from this person, and I do appreciate you. If you are a follower, I do appreciate you, you know, being a follower. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And, you know, I just want to, you know, tell you that there. I just wanted to give that shout out. And while I'm here, I want to give shout outs to all the other new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel recently. I hope you like the video stuff, you know, the video content I put out. Right now I'm doing this video here on my well, actually the digital video camera. You know, just wanted to give you guys a little insight of what's going on here. But yeah, this is what's happening, folks. And it's not going to get any better. It's not going to get better from what I understand. It's going to get a little more intensified as the day goes on. So, you know, we'll see how the weather permits, you know, how it permits, and we'll see. You know, if I do get any orders coming in tonight or today, you know, usually I close shop up around 11:30, 12. I try to keep a normal business schedule. Well, that's not a normal business schedule, but I try to do that there, you know, to keep things going, you know, try to keep everything going. And I do like to get some sleep at some point in the night, during the day anyway. But anyway, this is what's going on, guys. I just wanted to share with you, and I hope wherever you are in the U.S. here, if you're on the East Coast like us, I hope you're, you know, you're a little better than we are over here. In certain parts of the state here, New York, will get a little heavier, and in some places will get a little lighter. I'm on the island. You know, Long Island is, you know, we're surrounded by a body of water, so I'm not near the coast. I'm more central, thank God for that. But, you know, they said I think we're going to get between 4 to 6 inches, if I'm not mistaken. At least that's what I heard. Every time you hear the weather, they always change it. You know, they always change the weather forecast. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, I will talk to you next video. Stay safe. Keep warm, and for all those eBay buyers out there that do follow me, if you are going to buy anything today, please bear with me that your orders will not be going out today, but they will go out hopefully tomorrow, one way or the other. You know, hopefully this will pass, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks again, guys, for stopping by. Take care. Talk to you in the next video.